Good morning, Anishinaabe kindergarten students, or any students that are checking in for this. This morning, we are reviewing 4 letters and their sounds. We're only looking at lowercase letters right now because that's the majority of the letters that you see when you read. And I know you're all going to be excellent readers by the end of this year. The first letter that we're going to review today is the letter A. It says A like an apple. The next letter we're going to review is a lowercase t. It says T like in turtle. Did you hear both T's in turtle? The next letter we're going to review today is the letter M. It's the lowercase letter. It says M like in mom or make. And the last letter we're reviewing today is the letter B. This is a lowercase b. And it says B as in ball, bounce, bat. Those are all good B words. Can you think of some B words? Let's review these really quickly and see if you remember them. Are you ready? Don't forget to make the motion when you do this letter. Let's see if you got them correct. B, A as an apple, and T. Thank you for tuning in today and practicing your letters and your letter sounds. We'll see you soon. Bye.